알 수 없는 기분이 들어 나 부정하지만 어두잖아 난 아직 멀었다며 너 잘 모르겠다며 요즘 누가 기다려 그냥 앉아만.
So I've got my Snuggie on because I'm wearing a slip dress today right now, and it's very revealing, so I don't want to accidentally reveal something. My eyebrows are looking kind of weird. Just a little bit. Let me fix that. I don't really know what's wrong. Oh. That looks a little better. Okay. Anyway, good morning, guys. It is a Monday morning, and I've got a lot on my plate today. I woke up pretty early. Right now it's 9 a.m. if you can see. Hopefully the music isn't bothering you either. Hopefully you guys can't even really hear it too much, because not trying to get copyrighted, but it doesn't matter if I get copyrighted, if you feel me. So anyway, I've got a lot on my plate today, so I woke up pretty early. I have a video to get filmed and edited and posted today. That's what I get for being lazy, but it's a pretty easy video, so I'm hoping it won't take too long. And then after that, I am going to the aquarium to feed the stingrays. I'm also like in a very weird spot this morning. This is my makeup station, as you can see, but I'm like moved more in front of the window so it can be easier for me to see like what I'm doing. So that's why I feel kind of weird. Should I stick to my normal eyeshadow palette, or should I expand today? I don't even know what kind of makeup I'm doing. It's so wavy, baby. Ooh. It's so wavy, baby. I find that I always kind of have a phase with my lashes. Like, I'm always kind of, I always just have a, like, I find a pair that I love, and then I wear them and I wear them and I wear them, and then after like a month or two, I suddenly don't like those lashes, or I find new ones and they become my favorite. So right now, my favorite that I've been wearing over and over again are the Iconic. They're called Iconic from iEnvy, and it's the 08 style, I'm guessing. Yeah, 08. And they're super cheap, like $3. So I've been wearing them a lot. Perfect. Okay, so I can't decide for my finishing touches. I don't know if I want a NYX kind of softer nude, a berry purpley pink, or like, I don't know, this is also kind of berry but a little bit lighter. Any, mini, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. If I always let it go. Any, mini, miny, mo. If I pick you, you are the winner of the day. I got the middle one. Okay. So this is Kpop. Don't know the name of it though, because the name has very much wiped off, but I'm just gonna put it on. Fix my weave. All right, ready for the day. Okay, so I got this lemon dress from Forever 21 a little bit ago, and I had to exchange it because it was too, like, too much was showing on the bosom. And as you can see, I have to literally wear like a something under it because it's still like shows way too much cleavage, even though I literally went 2 sizes up. And yeah, I don't know, it's very, very annoying. I hate when it, like, we're not gonna need all of this, you know, showing. And the first size was totally fine except for the chesticles. So Forever 21 needs to stop it because I'm just trying to live a normal life, okay? But I've changed now. I also went ahead and filmed my video. Now all I have to do is try and get it edited and everything up and ready. I feel like I'll probably get home before it's time for me to post. But what if I don't? That makes me nervous. So I'm out the house finally. I'm going to go pick up my friend Paula. She was in a vlog once, but we barely kind of I was barely able to get her, so you probably don't know who she is. But we are going to go to the aquarium today. I almost forgot my money. I brought it though. And yeah, and then probably go out to eat somewhere. So I really want to go pet the stingray today, but it's like an extra $20 and I don't know if I'm ready for that. And everything. This is Paula. Oh, okay. Of course. She was in my other vlog when we went to go get empanadas, but you were low-key barely in it.
It's better that way.
It's better that way. No, it's not. It's not even, my thing isn't even hinged properly. So yeah, now we're gonna go to the aquarium. You wanna go drink after?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Drink water, right?
Water? Yeah, of course. Water.
Water, of course.
Water. Okay, I don't know what the aquarium is, so let me put that in my GPS. We had so much trouble finding parking, but we finally found it, so we're on our way. It's so pretty downtown, but just parking and everything is so crazy. Oh, and that's probably the aquarium parking. How cool. Did we just come from there too, or did we come from this way? Okay, so we're in the aquarium now. We got in, got our ticket.
They look big.
Good. What's wrong with this one's eye?
Oh, poor baby. Oh.
That one's blind.
I know, and it's going the opposite direction. You see? They're all going this way. That's the only one that's going
Oh no.
that way.
What's it called? Say hi, don't just look at it.
Well, I'm trying to check my hair.
Wow. We're in the final exhibit though.
Yeah.
The end.
At last.
Stingray Reef. I just want you guys to know that she wants me to move because it's never that serious. We've never been here before. We just tried it out. It looks really good. Do you like it? Oh, same. Was this a successful day for you? Did you like it? Did you enjoy my company?
Of course.
Case closed. Next on the docket.
I have fun whenever I'm with you, no matter where it is.
What I'm gonna do. So we finished going to that one place. What was it called? Because I didn't even look. Whatever she said. And we're now going to Aqua S, which is such a cute new like ice cream store. Apply. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Okay guys, how am I gonna eat all of this? We low-key should have shared. I know it's so cute, but we low-key should have shared. Okay guys, I am back home. I'm so sleepy, so tired. It was a hot ass day in Houston. It's not my fault. But I'm going to end the vlog here. Something weird happened, but I'll probably tell you about that in the next vlog. Right now I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe as always. Bye.
Get it?